Now you can generate bulk videos inside Claude AI completely for free. It gives you access to different image and video models, including advanced ones like Seedance 2.0 style outputs and other high-quality AI video tools. And the best part is, you can even get early access to upcoming models like Gemini Omni as they roll out on the platform. And you can generate more than 500 videos with Seedance 2.0 in a single click. Yes, you heard that right. You can create any type of content like ads, cinematic videos, social media content, and much more, completely free. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so make sure you pay close attention. And without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Higgsfield AI is your all-in-one AI platform where you get all image and video tools in one place. And now, they've launched Higgsfield MCP, which allows you to generate 500 plus images and videos with a single click. Higgsfield MCP gives Claude AI the brain, the hands, and the distribution. Claude Cowork, Claude Code, and OpenClaw. Agents can now generate, edit, and publish creatives completely end-to-end. With just one prompt, the entire pipeline is automated. You can use Higgsfield MCP with Claude, Perplexity AI, OpenClaw, Herms, and NemoClaw. So today, I'm going to show you the power of Higgsfield MCP using Claude AI. The process is very simple. Just go to Settings, open Connectors, and add these details. So let me show you everything step by step. So first of all, open Claude AI. Then go to Settings and open Connectors. If you are on the free plan, you can still use Higgsfield MCP. You just need to remove any other connected MCPs because the free plan only allows one MCP connection at a time. Now click on Add Custom Connector and enter these details. You'll get all these details from Higgsfield MCP. After that, click Add and then click Connect. This will connect your Higgsfield account. If you don't already have a Higgsfield account, sign up using the link in the description. Now allow Claude to access your Higgsfield account, then click on Configure. As you can see, all the models have been added successfully, even on the free plan. So now, let's start generating content using Claude Agent. First, let's confirm whether Claude AI has access to Higgsfield MCP or not. So, I'm asking Claude, do you have access to Higgsfield MCP? And as you can see, it confirms that it has access and can generate images and videos directly from our conversation. As you can see, I'm also using Higgsfield on the free plan, and right now I've got more than 3000 credits available. And the interesting part is, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these credits as well in just a bit. With these credits, I can actually unlock and use almost all the premium features inside Higgsfield without any limitation, which means you can create high-quality AI videos, cinematic shots, and advanced edits without paying anything upfront. And trust me, this is where things start getting really powerful. So for testing, I'm writing a prompt, generate an image of a beautiful woman looking at the camera. Now it starts generating the image, and check out the result. It generated our first image, and the result looks outstanding. We can animate this image, download it, or regenerate it directly from here. Now let's create some product images and videos. So, I'm asking Claude AI for lipstick ad prompt, and it gives me amazing prompts for realistic showcases and static ad creatives. Now comes the main part. I'm telling Claude to use all the above prompts and generate images and videos using my reference product image. Then I allow video generation, and it starts creating all our images and videos with a single click. It's generating both images and videos, but since I'm using the free plan, I can only generate one image or video at a time. Once one generation is completed, the next one automatically starts. But if you want to generate images and videos without any limitations, I recommend going for the subscription plan. It's actually very reasonable, and the best part is you get access to all AI tools in one place. And not just that, they are also bringing Gemini Omni soon into Higgsfield AI, which makes it even more powerful for creators. So don't miss this opportunity. Now all our images and videos are ready, let's take a look.
Blind test. You guess which one is $11 and which one is $30. $11.
Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna get this off. It's still on!
It even mentions the model names used for generating the images and videos. As you can see, some of the content was generated using Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0 as well. But with the free plan, Seedance 2.0 video generation in Higgsfield isn't always available because of high demand. In that case, you can either switch to another available video model or simply upgrade to a subscription plan to unlock full access without any limits or waiting. Now let's generate some short cinematic videos using Seedance 2.0. So first, I'm asking Claude AI to create prompts for my short cinematic story. I'm entering all the details of my video concept, and I want each video to be 15 seconds long and generated using Seedance 2.0. Claude gives me some really impressive video prompts that look great. Now, using the same method I showed you earlier, I'm telling it to use all the above prompts and generate videos with Seedance 2.0 using Higgsfield MCP. Then I click Run, and here's the result.
Babe, that guy keeps staring at me.
You got a problem, bro? Keep your eyes to yourself.
Relax, man. Can't blame me, she's fine.
The result looks amazing, and you can do everything from a single dashboard. It can generate prompts, create images, and produce videos, all inside one conversation. It basically works like your own AI agent. You can even generate more than 500 images and videos with a single click. Just tell Claude AI something like, generate 500 videos using Seedance 2.0, then add your topic, and it will start generating your videos automatically. Higgsfield AI also gives you free credits, but since Seedance 2.0 is one of the top-rated models, you'll need a subscription to use it extensively. The pricing plans are very reasonable, and after subscribing, Claude can run Higgsfield MCP even on the free Claude plan. You can also earn free credits through the official Higgsfield Twitter, X, handle. They often run promotions, giveaways, and credit drops for active users. I've already made a short video explaining exactly how you can get these free credits, and you'll find the link in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.